Hi, welcome and thanks for watching and subscribing. Now you are familiar for these fittings. This fittings is a concentric reducer and this is eccentric reducers. Okay. Concentric reducer. And this is the eccentric reducer. Okay, this is the two types of reducer, the concentric reducer and the eccentric reducer. So what is the difference of this concentric reducer and eccentric reducer? This concentric reducer, in the pump, this is a pump discharge. Pump discharge vertical pipeline. Okay, and this eccentric, in the pump, this is a pump suction. Why this one is the pump suction? Because this pump, in the pump suctions, to avoid cavitation. Okay, and also to maintain the elevation or BOP. Okay, so this concentric reducer cannot use in the pump suction. Why? Because the air packet might be concentric reducer to use in the pump suction. Okay, which result cavitation, and also the pump is to be damaging. Okay, so to avoid the problem, this eccentric reducer with a flat upside. Okay, FSU, flat side up, is used in the pump suction. Okay, this is the two types of concentric reducer with the explanation. Okay, concentric reducer in the pump discharge and also in the vertical pipeline, and this eccentric reducer using in the pump suction only to avoid cavitation and also to maintain elevation. Okay, so what is this cavitation? This cavitation mean a pump designed from the liquid to handle the liquid and not the vapor. Okay, so vapor forms if the pressure in the pump falls in the liquid's vapor pressure. Okay, thanks for watching guys, and see you next time. Bye.